Hi everybody, it's Scott here, General Sales Manager at O'Connor Chrysler.
And I'm Ebony Payton, Sales Consultant. And here at O'Connor Chrysler, we're a particularly special dealership because not only do we stand behind our product,
We drive them.
This here's Kevin, he's one of our sales associates. What have you got, Kevin?
2021 Jeep Gladiator Willys edition.
Ooh, how many kilometers?
10,000.
Wow, look at that. Moving down the line. Alrighty, and here we've got Jen. Jen is one of our finance managers. Jen, what have you got?
I have a 2021 4xe.
Wow, and how many kilometers on it?
6,500.
Holy mollies. Moving on down the line to our general sales manager, Scotty Robb.
Yeah.
What have you got, Scott?
I got a 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sport Unlimited 4-door with 285,000 glorious kilometers.
Holy guacamole.
This baby's been through everything.
There we go, tried and true. And then here we've got Billy, another one of our sales associates. What have you got, Bill?
I got a 2008 Sahara Unlimited with 251,000 kilometers on it.
Holy moly, there we go. And Steven.
I've got a 2018 Wrangler JK, a 2-door with a 3-inch lift, 33s on it, and it's got 52,000 kilometers on it.
Very nice. Here we've got our other finance manager, Richard. Richard, what have you got?
I've got a 2009 Jeep Wrangler Rocky Mountain Edition
Ooh.
with only 134,000 kilometers on it.
Wow, you hear that, folks? Okay, and moving on down the line to me, Ebony. I drive a 2004 Jeep TJ, and this bad boy's got 417,000 kilometers on it and still going. It's got the 4-liter Street 6. This thing is invincible. So as you can see, we have a long line of Jeeps that all of our staff members drive. They're tried and
We're all out of place.
they're tried and true. You've got brand new ranging down to pretty much dirt old. These things are built to last. And don't forget, everything we do
It's driven by you.